What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So, finally, it's time to work on my 1983 Mustang GT T-top. I'm gonna get it back in the road. Right now, let me show you. Right now, it's acting as a table. I have a bunch of stuff on top of it. So first of all, let's get this thing cleaned, and we'll talk about what the plans are and what we're gonna do with it. So let's go. So you guys have it. This is my 302 Fox body Mustang. I believe it has GT40 headers, Mishimoto radiator. It has tubular K-member, coilovers. What else am I missing? The cold intake. It does have a cam. I believe this is a trick flow. It has rocker arms. What else? I did clean up the wiring a little bit on it. So the only issue is that it doesn't start. I believe water went into the motor. I took a trip about 2 years ago. I came back, I went out to start it, and I just heard a loud bang. So I removed all the plugs because my dad told me it had rained, and I was driving it without a hood, so it was just standing there without a hood. And I believe water went into the carburetor, to the cylinders, so I might have maybe bent a rod, but we'll see. I might have to open it up. I'll try to turn it again by hand, but if it doesn't work, then I'll probably lower the oil pan and see what's under there. All right, let's see. Oh no. Yeah, that is seized. That moved, but I believe it just loosened up the bolt. Yeah, that thing ain't going nowhere. All right, I guess we're gonna have to raise this thing and remove the pan. All right, the car's a jack stands, so and we're just gonna remove the steering rack. I believe that's the only thing that's in the way. Of course, drain the oil and then just drop down the pan. Thanks to the K-member, it should come out pretty easily. Let's go. it is, guys. I totally forgot about the oil pump, so I'm just gonna remove those two bolts, drop that, and see if I can remove the oil pan all complete. And let's see, that way we can take a closer look inside from here. I mean, it looks real clean, but we'll see what type of damage there is. We'll go from there. So the oil pan is off, and I think I found the bent rod. Let me just let it up real quick, and it's right there. See that? Let's see. That one's bent. Not really bad, but it's bent. Let's see if there's another one. It looks like that's the only one. So that's the one that's causing the issue. This is number 4. So I guess from here is the rebuilt the bottom end, or just buy another short block and just swap all the other parts onto the new short block. But we'll see. So we got one bent rod, and technically the starter bent the rod because it just happened when I started it. And there was water inside the cylinder, so the starter bent the rod. So the next step would be either find another short block. I was thinking about rebuilding it, but it's already 30 over, and if the cylinder walls aren't that bad, I'll probably just get another one, replace it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully by then I already have a short block, and we can just transfer all the parts to the new one. But for now, this is going to end the video, so make sure you guys like it, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys on the next one.